Hello, this is Anwar from Maple Toyota, and today we're going to show you how to easily replace your cabin air filter. Okay, first of all, you can push the seat back so you have enough space, and you can sit on the step right here. You open it. Before that, get your cabin air filter ready. Right, like this. That's a new one. And you open the glove box. You remove the holder, the dampener, to the side, and then you push the top of it, and you can take this off or you just let it slide down, and then you will see a small door in the bottom right here. Remove the cover and get the dirty cabin air filter right there. So it depends of the model. You might find it in a tray or just like this. If you see here, there is a big difference between a new one and an old one. It is highly recommended to replace it every year or 16,000 kilometers. Basically on the newer cars, every second service is highly recommended to replace the cabin air filter. So we're gonna remove the old one, put it aside, and then get the new one, and you will see a sign saying app, means that's the direction of the cabin air filter. Put it back in the tray. It has to fit exactly, and then you put it back the same way you took it. Okay, and then you get the cover. So the cover have a sign app, so you know how to put it, and then you just slide it inside. And then you close it, you put back the dampener, and you close it, and it's done. Cabin air filter at Maple Toyota at no charge. If you don't know how to do it, just pass by at any time or in your service. We don't charge labor on that.